Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start ad campaigns with Facebook. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start your ad campaigns with Facebook, first, log into your Facebook account. Once you're on your home page, navigate to the top right corner and click on the drop-down arrow. From the menu, select Create Ads. You'll be directed to the Ads Manager page. If this is your first time, Facebook may prompt you to set up an ad account. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure your account settings. Next, click on the green plus Create button in the Ads Manager interface. Now, you'll see options to choose your campaign objective. Consider what you want to achieve with your ads, such as brand awareness, traffic, or conversions. After selecting your objective, give your campaign a name to easily identify it later. Click Continue to proceed to the ad set level. In this section, define your target audience. You can choose demographics, interests, and behaviors that align with your goals. Next, set your budget and schedule. Decide if you want a daily budget or a lifetime budget. Then, specify the start and end dates for your campaign if necessary. Proceed to the ad level by clicking on the Next button. Here, you can create your actual advertisement. Choose your ad format, such as a single image, video, carousel, or slideshow. Upload your media files based on the format you selected. Write engaging ad copy that clearly conveys your message. Preview your ad to ensure everything looks perfect. Once satisfied, click the Publish button to launch your campaign. Your ad is now in review by Facebook, and you'll be notified once it is approved. Keep an eye on the performance of your campaign in the Ads Manager interface. This will help you analyze results and tweak your strategy as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.